2025 BMW M2. Elevating driving pleasure for the purist, the 2025 BMW M2 is setting new standards in the premium compact sports car segment, offering a heightened driving experience for enthusiasts. With increased power, a striking design, and innovative features, the new M2 takes the high-performance sports car to the next level. Central to the M2's upgrade is a boost of 15 kilowatts, bringing the high-revving six-cylinder inline petrol engine with M TwinPower Turbo technology to an impressive 353 kilowatts. The latest enhancements make the new BMW M2 an even more attractive entry into the high-performance world of BMW M GmbH. This ensures it's perfectly tuned for both everyday driving and track use. Produced at the BMW Group plant San Luis Potosi in Mexico, the new BMW M2 will debut worldwide starting in August 2024, with over 40% of sales expected in Europe. The USA will be the largest single market, followed by Germany, China, Great Britain, and Japan. Enhanced six-cylinder inline engine. The heart of the new BMW M2 is its six-cylinder inline engine, known for its linear power delivery and high-revving nature, a signature of M models. The engine's maximum torque spans a wide rev band from 2,650 to 6,130 revolutions per minute, delivering 550 nanometers, 405 lb-ft, with the optional 6-speed manual gearbox, and 600 nanometers, 442 lb-ft, with the standard 8-speed M Steptronic transmission. With a maximum output of 353 kilowatts, 480 GP at 6,250 revolutions per minute, and a red line at 7,200 revolutions per minute, the engine provides exhilarating performance. The new BMW M2 offers rapid accelerator response and improved power delivery across all drive modes, making the driving experience more intense. The 3.0-liter engine, closely related to those in the BMW M3 and M4, reinforces the M2's leadership in the compact high-performance car segment, racing-inspired performance featuring advanced M TwinPower Turbo technology, including mono-scroll turbochargers, an intercooler, and an electronically controlled wastegate. The M2's engine also benefits from high-precision injection, Valvetronic variable valve timing, and double Vanos variable camshaft timing. The M-specific cooling system maintains optimal operating temperatures under heavy loads, while the oil circuit, with a map-controlled oil pump, ensures reliable lubrication during dynamic driving. The standard 8-speed M Steptronic transmission with drive logic offers 3 distinct shift settings. For a more engaging experience, the optional 6-speed manual gearbox includes a gear shift assistant for smooth downshifts. Acceleration and top speed. The increased engine output allows the new BMW M2 to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per h in just 4.0 seconds with the standard transmission and 4.2 seconds with the manual gearbox. The 0 to 200 km per h time is also improved at 12.9 seconds with the automatic and 13.7 seconds with the manual. Top speed is 250 km per h, extendable to 285 km per h with the optional M Drivers package. The dynamic power delivery is complemented by the distinctive sound of the M-specific exhaust system, bold exterior design. The new BMW M2's exterior features powerfully sculpted surfaces and athletic proportions, enhancing its performance character. M-specific design elements optimize cooling and aerodynamic balance. The large BMW kidney grille and split lower air intake ensure effective cooling, while the LED headlights with U-shaped light guides add a modern touch. The car's profile is defined by elegant lines, prominent side sill extensions, and muscular wheel arches, creating a compact, sporty look. An optional M carbon roof reduces weight and lowers the center of gravity, enhancing agility. Interior and technology. Inside, the new BMW M2 features a redesigned steering wheel, optional M Sport seats in Vernasca leather, and available M carbon bucket seats for a racing feel. The BMW curved display, featuring a 12.3-inch information display and a 14.9-inch control display, hosts the latest BMW iDrive system based on operating system 8.5. Digital controls for climate functions reduce button clutter, while new air vent controls add to the refined interior. The new BMW M2 is not just a car. It's an invitation to experience the thrill of driving in its purest form,